That's right, Terry. And we've learned that that person is a woman being treated here at Froedtert Hospital. And next door at Children's Hospital, her 13-year-old son is being treated. 12 News has also learned from sources the person killed was another 13-year-old boy, a close friend of the family. Firefighters brought everything they had to bear on the scene, but there was nothing they could do to save the 13-year-old boy crushed by the 30-foot wide slab of decorative concrete which fell off the front of the parking structure.
You know, it just made that crashing sound like the building was coming down.
Dave Jenkins Sr. of Milwaukee and his son witnessed the concrete collapse, which fell from the second story to the sidewalk below.
I seen the whole work. It come down all in one sheet, like that.
Jenkins and his son say they saw several injured people, and officers and deputies on hand already for Summerfest traffic control responded immediately.
It was a nice-sized crash. I whipped right around and saw the dust flying and people just kind of laying around, and you know, I was going to go over there and help, but you know, when the police started arriving, I had to, you know, back off and let them do their job.
The father and son stuck around to tell authorities what they saw, hoping it'll help to find out what went wrong. It was clearly difficult for them to see. When I asked him to recall how the immediate aftermath looked, the younger Jenkins told me simply,
I'd really rather not.
And we've learned the injured woman is listed in satisfactory condition here at Froedtert Hospital, again with a leg injury. Her son is listed in good condition with a foot injury. The Sheriff's Department is not releasing any information about the 13-year-old boy killed. Live at Froedtert Hospital, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.